The watch window is used to view GPO variables for a running project. You can access the watch window under the controller pull-down menu. After opening a GPO editor, you can select a variable and click the button to add it to the watch window. Each property of a multi-component variable type, like a location or a frame, will be added individually. For example, a robot location will be represented by the location value, the configuration, the Z-clearance, and the Z-world offset. This is to allow editing of each part individually. The values of the items in the display will be updated once a project starts running. When a project is running, you can edit the values of the variables in the watch window. This will change the current value of the variable in controller memory. It will not update the initial starting value of the variable as represented in the GPO editor itself. To edit the current value of an item, simply click on the value field in the table and change the value. The value will be updated when you press the Enter key. You can right-click on an item and use the context menu to remove the selected item or use Remove All to remove all items in the display. The Delete key can also be used to remove the selected item in the display.